Why doesn't this kid let me pee by myself? Mason, why are you in here? Mason. Why are you in here? Can I pee? Can I pee? Can I pee? No, I don't need your help putting tissue in the toilet, but I want to pee. You're so cute. Huh? Look.
I'm going to need you in a minute because for some reason I'm locked out of my Harley car.
Good morning, Zoe. Now you're in here too? What'd you do? Call for reinforcements, Mason?
Yes. What is?
A cat.
A cat. What is?
Our panda. Mason won't stop doing the what's this game.
What is?
It's a bed.
It's a bed.
What's this?
6933.
I eat trace.
What's this?
Apple.
That's not an apple. It's a ball. And this is a Zoe.
A Zoe. What is?
The closet.
He called it. What is?
That's the closet.
Who calls it? What is?
That's Daddy's wallet.
It's a bed.
Apples, 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 yes please. Apples, 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 yes please, Mommy. Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth. Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Daddy.
Yes, Papa.
Yes,
No, Papa.
Daddy.
No, Papa.
His mom.
Ha, ha, ha.
Jody.
Yes, Papa. No, Papa. No, Papa. Yeah.
It's time like an excavator. One in the boom in the bucket and start to scoop.
With these kids. Hey. Guys, one of my all-time favorite movies just came on. I love this movie. I know every single song. You know, one thing about me, I love any movie that tells a story of like singers from back in the day, like musicians from back in the day. This Temptations. What y'all know about that? Y'all don't know nothing about that. Did Daddy get you? Daddy got you a gift? Wow.
Inside of it.
Oh my
Color the
goodness.
whole thing.
You want a color? Okay. I think Daddy's more excited than you are. Let's put it together.
Let's see.
Yes, see. What is?
All right, Daddy's got it put together though. Okay.
It's red.
She's so excited. Look at her face, honey.
Does that mean
No. This is so cute.
Hold on, guys.
Let me help you.
The only thing I didn't realize it didn't come with markers. But they don't have to even color. I mean, they have the crayons, but the big thing is they can get in and out of the house. All right, guys. But there's no instructions. All right.
Get off, Mason.
Watch out, baby. Hold on, guys. Hi, baby. Hold on.
Just like
It's
us.
okay. It's okay.
And they wanted to.
You got a big house.
I'm telling you, these cats called me up begging to join our group.
Use textiles.
Knock, knock, knock. Who's there?
Wait, where'd you get it?
Mason, can I come to your house?
So did you realize that
The point is,
did you have your own house? Do you want to sleep in there tonight?
Oh my God, that would be so cute. Mason, look, there's Santa on this side. Look, Zoe, Santa. Look at Santa. Look at Santa. You're gonna color Santa's beard. Good job. Color Santa's belt.
So when I was
Tongue hanging out her mouth while she colors. This is the best idea in a long time, hon. This is a really good idea. Uh-huh. You happy, Zoe? Smile. Yes, you smiling? So cute. You guys are busy. You busy?
You're not gonna go to sleep early.
So dizzy.
You could have been anything that you wanted to. I can tell the way you do the things you do. Do the things you do. Could have been anything that you wanted to. I can. Oh! You didn't, honey, you missed it. Look.